Kinwestiyon ng OPM icon na si Gary Valenciano si Lorde, noong magsunod-sunod ang pagdating ng pagsubok, partikular na sa kanyang kalusugan. Nagbahagi ang award-winning singer-songwriter ng mga pinagdaanan niya sa buhay nitong mga nagdaang taon, kabilang na ang kanyang pagkakasakit. Inilarawan ni Gary V ang sarili bilang isang walking miracle matapos sumailalim sa open heart surgery at makipaglaban sa kidney cancer. Bukod pa riyan ang kanyang diabetes na isang lifelong condition. Sa panayam ng broadcast journalist na si Karen Davila para sa kanyang YouTube channel, nag-open up si Gary kung paano niya nalagpasan at napagtagumpayan ang mga medical challenges na pinagdaanan niya. Isa sa mga naitanong sa kanya ay kung naramdaman ba niyang katapusan na ng kanyang buhay dahil sa pagkakaroon ng iba't ibang sakit. Aniya, "No, I never thought this is it, but I told myself if this is it. I think I've left behind enough to continue the legacy. My music will continue to plant seed on good soil and that's okay now with me. I can't complain. I've been given an awesome wife and then I have great children, who are now spreading their wings and flying, so what else pa? But syempre there was that fear of could this be it? But I didn't think that this is probably the moment I'm going to die." Naisip din ba niya na baka hindi na siya makapag-perform tulad ng dati matapos sumailalim sa open heart surgery? Ani Gary, "For a while. You know, just to put up my hand. It kinda hurts parang magbubukas, yung dibdib." Kasunod nito, unti-unti nang bumuti ang kondisyon ni Gary, pero makalipas ang 2 linggo na diagnose siya ng cancer sa kidney. Nang dahil dito, may pagkakataon na kinwestiyon din niya ang Panginoon. Aniya, "I did question na what is this all for, wasn't this enough? Isn't the diabetes enough? What is this? But when I looked at the bigger picture here, if I didn't have the bypass, they would have not diagnosed the kidney with cancer because there were no symptoms." Nahirapan daw ang iconic OPM artist na ipagtapat ang pagkakaroon ng kidney cancer sa kanyang pamilya. Year 2018, nang ibalita sa kanya ng doktor na cancer-free na siya, matapos sumailalim sa chemotherapy at radiation. Ani Gary, "When God restores, He's not going to bring you back to the former, He always brings you back higher than where you were before. I experienced that time and time again, so I say that with confidence," say pa ni Gary Valenciano.